and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and I post workout videos and stretching videos for those who are inspired by figure skaters and want to stay fit like a figure skater or flexible as a figure skater, and as well as for figure skaters who want to stay fit and flexible, or anyone who just wants to do a good stretch or a good workout. This is your place. So today we are going to be doing a 5-minute stretch for bedtime. So this is going to help you feel nice and mobilized before bed, as well as relaxed, and to give you a good night's sleep. So let's bring our hands to our knees. We're going to come into a nice easy pose, crossing our legs, and we're just going to bring those shoulders back nice and slowly. Just going smoothly through that shoulder joint. And now going forward. And release. Let's just bring our head to the side, then the other side, and switch. And keep switching. And now let's look to the side and other side. Now hold on one side, and we're just gonna slowly start to bring our head down and then bring our head to that other shoulder. So drawing half circles with our head. And again, moving smoothly through this. Sorry if you can notice, but sometimes I have problems to talk. And sometimes I start to mix up my words or put the beginning of other words at the beginning of other words. So for example, at the beginning, instead of saying rolling the shoulders back or bring the shoulders back, I wanted to say ring those shoulders back. Maybe you guys caught that. And now let's just bring our head back to center. And we're just going to bring one hand onto the ground, taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, just taking a nice stretch to the side. Just holding here. Maybe looking up if you want. And then just coming back to center, bring this hand onto your opposite knee. Inhale, stretch in your body. Exhale, twist and look back. Then returning back to center. Inhale the other arm up. Exhale, stretch to the side. And now just coming back up. Bring that hand to the opposite knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, twist. And return back to center. Bring both of your hands to your knees. We're gonna inhale, stretch our spine, a little bit overstretch here, so arching in the back, looking up. Then exhale, round out your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Then inhale, arch again, looking up. Exhale, chin to your chest. So doing a seated cat and cow here. And let's do 3 more of these. And back. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, back. And one more time. And now we're just gonna hold in this position, just holding back. Feel that nice stretch in between your shoulder blades. And then return back to center. Let's inhale our arms up, and then exhale, just folding down, head comes down, and just holding here. Now adding a nice rock side to side in our body. And now we're gonna slowly come up and to keep rocking side to side. And then returning back to center. And let's just switch out those legs. Inhale the arms up again, nice straight spine. Exhale, let's start to come down. Head comes down as well. Holding here first, feeling this nice stretch in our hips. And now just begin to rock side to side. And as we rock side to side, we're gonna slowly start to come up. And then just returning back to center. And we are finished for today. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you get a good night's sleep tonight, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.